Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to do a simple script to generate passwords. I'm just using a Pi for this, but you can basically probably run this on anything that has Python installed. So we're just going to make a file and we're just call it password.py. Then we're going to paste in the following here. Now, we'll go through this a little bit. As you can see, I have the whole alphabet here in lowercase and the alphabet in capital letters. Then we have numbers 1 through 9 plus the 0. Then we got a couple the dollar sign and the exclamation point. So you can add more, you can remove the ones that you don't want to use. Then we're just going to save this, Control X, Y, and enter if you're using Nano. And we're just going to run this. So we're just going to put in Python password.py, and it's going to come up and ask how many characters do you want it to be. So do you want it to be 5, 10, 15? So we'll do 12 just for something. We'll hit enter, and right there's your random password. If we do it again, we put in 15. Right there's your password, a random password. And if we only want to do 4, there you go. So, thought I would just share this simple script, and I'll throw a link in the description to my website for it, and hopefully it helps out. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for another one.